Welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today we're going to go inside the cab and show you how to reset your fuel filter life after you've just changed your fuel filter. Okay, today we're going to show you how to reset your fuel filter life. Fuel filter life needs to be reset when you change your fuel filter on the 3.0 liter Duramax diesels. First thing you're going to do is you're going to actually put your foot on the brake and start the vehicle. And what you're going to see in the display screen is the home. That's where you're probably going to end up starting. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit this right and left button. And if you hit the right button, it's going to take us to information. And I happen to be on the fuel filter, but you can scroll up and down and get to different functions. When you're at the fuel filter, if you want to reset the fuel filter, you'll see the check mark at the bottom. All you do is push once on the roller, and then you're going to see a yes or a no check mark in the dashboard. And then you're going to come back and you're going to go right, say yes, click once on the roller, and you're back reset to 100%. And then you go ahead and shut the engine off and everything is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends, like and subscribe, and come back often and visit us at the Full Octane Garage. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Our legal team made me promise to display this disclaimer before we ended the video.